Hello my dear students, 9th class mathematics exercise 1.4 in that main question number 2. Visualize 4.26 recurring on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places. So up to 4 decimal places means here 4.26 recurring term, it is once again 26. So up to 4 decimal places, it means here 4.2626. Okay, so this we have to visualize on the number line. So you know the number line, so how it is. So check it out here. This 4 point something number is present in between 4 and 5. So in between 4 and 5. So magnifying this 4 to 5. So magnifying this means here 10 equal parts present in between numbers. Okay. So now next the number line is, it becomes started with 4.0. Okay, so 10 equal parts means it's a 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and lastly it is 5. Okay, so now check once again here our question 4.26. so 4.2 here present. Okay, and our next number should be present in between here 4.2 to 4.3. okay, next visualize this part 4.2, 4.5. now once again here 10 equal parts present in between these numbers. Okay, so now starting point 4.2, so it becomes 4.20. so 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, and it is the 4.3. okay, so next come here 4.2, next number is 6. okay, 4.26, and here number once again our decimal expansion here present in between 4.26 to 4.27. okay, so next once again magnify this part and number line becomes here so next value 4.260, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, and it is the 4.2 4.27. Next it is 0 comes, but it can okay. So now check once again our given question. 4.2626, 4.262, 4.262. Next given number present in between 4.262 and 4.263. Next once again magnify this part. Okay, the number line is, so here 4.2620, 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, and last here 4.263. Okay, so here now we get here required solution, visualizing the part 4.2626. it is here present 4.2626. okay, this is the part 4.2626 on the number line. Okay, thank you.